Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to Pecot channel. Crochet lovers, so friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet fingerless hand gloves designs ideas, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet hand gloves, fingerless designs ideas, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, beautiful patterns, very amazing colorful crochet fingerless gloves designs collection ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to the channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, don't miss any other in my channel. I will share with you some different designs. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember, parent by Allah. Face.